What is up, Theta homies? It is your boy Justinpacete back again with another Theta token video, another Theta token update. Just a reminder, if you're new to the channel trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe button. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node, as well as staking your TFO tokens if there's room to my Elite Edge node. Either way, helps on my channel, help with the Theta network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much TFO passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta Network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. A little bit more on our sponsor for a little later in this video, but going on to the news, as you can tell with the title, we're going to talk about agentic AI and basically the future employees for 2025, 2026. Who knows what other technologies and businesses are going to be using this type of technology, but I just feel like, in my own opinion, that I feel like this is going to utilize a lot more time efficiency, cost reductions for businesses, and just optimize the time in order for things to be organized appropriately. So starting on X, we're going to see that Jihe posted on January 3rd of 2025, AI agents are capturing everyone's attention these days as the next big trend in crypto. Leading the way, Theta Network Edge Cloud launched its first AI agent offering the RAG chatbot back in 2024. It's already gaining enterprise adoption with integrated into the NHL's Golden Knights, the Las Vegas Knights website. Check out Mitch's article below for a refresher. Going on to Mitch himself, going on to this right here, it was posted on October 23rd of 2024. I've definitely highlighted and defined what this RAG chatbot is, so this is just a little bit of a summary as to what it is, because it says Theta Network AI agents. Feel like this is going to grow in popularity, but that's just my own opinion. These videos are never financial advice. AI agents are more broadly agentic AI, refers to a class of AI systems that act as an autonomous agent capable of performing tasks, making decisions, and interacting with their environment without continuous human input. Unlike traditional generative AI, which responds to user prompts, AI agents can proactively initiate actions, manage workflows, and adapt to changing conditions based on predefined goals. AI agents can handle complex business tasks by retrieving real-time data, making decisions, and executing actions across various platforms, such as in IT operations, healthcare, and customer services. Its first agentic AI product, the RAG Retrieval Augmented Generation Chatbot AI Agent, enables users to continuously update and expand the chatbot's knowledge base, ensuring that it remains accurate, dynamic, and relevant. Partners in the Theta ecosystem are taking advantage of AI agents capability already, including the Vegas Golden Knights and Theta Agents SDK. Learn how you can customize your own RAG chatbot here, listed here, but we're not going to go on to that for this video. The reason why I do want to mention this is because of how this could potentially help out businesses, like I said. But before I go on to the analogy for this reason for the video, here is a word from our sponsors. If you're trying to find an area where you can discuss, find answers, provide questions for anything Theta related, and have a community be able to help you, Theta Forums is a place where you can go. You can see here, this is the questions that are currently listed. Going on to this registration link, you can sign up right here, username, password, and your email. Start your questions here, and if you're able to, provide some answers to help the community. Thank you, Theta Forums, for sponsoring this video, and now back to the video. The reason why I'm bringing this topic into this video is because that this could potentially replace potential employees who may not be able to provide the output companies need in the amount of time. Agentic AI, they can have large language models incorporated into it, so as long as it's within its predetermined requirements or things that they already know, the agent can just work accordingly, basically nonstop, as long as there's a power source. So that's why I feel like Theta Network is a nice solution for it, because it can make sure that the agent is continuously working because of the decentralized power that Theta Network can provide, and at a reduced cost. So with all these large language models that are being incorporated, especially when it comes to business, healthcare, like they just mentioned, as long as it's within a predetermined set that this bot can utilize, it can provide real-time data for consumers to understand products, cost, news, anything that is relatable to the consumer's question that is within the large language model of the chatbot. So just basically saying, just having that robot be able to replace the human, provide those answers that consumers need, and then go about their day, their work, business, life, whatever is going to be answered quickly. Put some thoughts and comments down below what you guys think about this whole RAG chatbot, the whole agentic AI. If you think it's beneficial for the business world, if it's bad for the business world. I can kind of see both ends as to how, if it's bad to replace employees, because where are those people going to go? But I can see how it's beneficial, because it's going to make business work a lot more smoother, quickly, and reduce unnecessary costs. I do want to continue with a couple other things that is related to Theta Network, but may not specifically specifically be related to this content. Jinian did post the update for the Theta Network Edge node. It looks like the Theta Network devs and the Levita AI team are working through the matter involving their jobs not finalizing in the Edge node. The current Edge node is, this one says 5.1.4, but I believe in one of the other posts I'll show you in the next minute or so is going to say 5.1.7. So they are fixing the problems with any Levita unfinished jobs. If you had a Levita unfinished job before, comment down below. But as of right now, with my node, it has updated. I believe they mostly update automatically almost, unless there's some sort of issue. So check your Elite Edge nodes if you are running one. Another thing that's mentioned is the utilization metrics. I did mention how it's calculated in one of the AMAs for this year, or technically last year of 2024, how this utilization metrics is calculated, and it's just been continuously going up. We're now in the 70s. It looks like more organizations using Theta Networks tech is just ramping things up, so it's nice to see that utilization score increasing. This was what I was mentioning earlier about the new Edge node. So it says the Edge node 5.1.7. It looks like Fuel Foundry delegated nodes are being updated at that time. To fellow node operators, be sure to check your version. If you're still running 5.1.4, exit and restart the Edge node software to initiate the update. Going back to the utilization score, I believe I did say it was 71 in the previous post. This one now it's going to be 72. This was posted on January 6th of 2024. Going back to the utilization score, let me see when that was posted. This one was January 6th, so it's just continuously going up. I know it's a 1 point, but I feel like in the metrics and grand scheme of things, I feel like that's just a nice increase. So this was January 4th, this one is January 6th. Who knows when this video is posted? Maybe it might be even higher. I'm hoping for it to be, or just at least stay at the same rank that we currently see right here. Last but not least, I do want to show you guys this image because these videos are never financial advice. I feel like this image reflects as to how it's been as a Theta investor. Do it tired, do it alone, do it scared. Theta Network, just that slow climb. Fingers crossed that this is going to be coming true into this year of 2025. Who knows what it's going to be for 26, 27, 2028, so on and so forth. But I'm really hoping that this year is going to make it or break it year, like I've said in these last couple of videos. It seems like everything is setting up for Theta Network for this year, for this bull run. But like I always try not to do price predictions on my channel because it's just hard to say where the whole market will go, depending on how the whole world wants to use technology, especially AI, and how governments and regulations are going to organize all of that. But either way, that is all I really have for today's video, guys. Thank you so much if you're an OG viewer and subscriber and coming back to the channel. Would not be here without you. If you're a new viewer trying to find as much Theta news, updates, NFTs, or any kind of Theta partnerships, please hit that like and subscribe on. Check out all the links down below in the description for all the links I post in this video, as well as staking your Theta tokens to my Guardian node or staking your T-Field tokens to my Elite Edge node. Either way, help out my channel, help out the Theta Network, but overall help yourselves out. Earn as much T-Field passively as possible and utilize it however you want on Theta Drop, Open Theta, any of the subchains on Theta Network, or just withdrawing it back to your wallet. Thank you again for Theta Forums for sponsoring this video. Looking forward to new sponsors. If you do want to sponsor on my video, check out that email down below. I'll try to reply as soon as possible. Things are kind of packing up the schedule when it comes to sponsors, but if you want to be fit in and squeeze there, we can have a conversation. But until the next Theta video, until the next Theta update, it is your boy Justinpacete, so try to keep up. Alright, deuces.